All right, disclaimer. I'm learning as I go, so I'm just going to check these valves. Probably going to clean all this real good. Make sure that there's no gunk. You know, if you can see it right there. But I want to check these valves real quick. Make sure they're free, because I mean, just like a little torch, and it looks like about 4 or 5 little screws, and I'm just going to make sure they go in and out. Make sure the bores are clean, and try to clean this up as much as possible from whatever gunk is up in here, you know, friction plate or whatever. I'll probably end up doing 2 filters, you know. I'll probably end up letting it run, maybe draining it, and then change the filter a second time, see. So we're gonna see what happens. You know, this is not a do-it-yourself learn lesson how to do this and anything like that. This is just a learn as you go. So we're gonna see what happens here. Hopefully these valves are good and all that stuff. So let's see if I can find. Where's that thing? This one here. I'm trying to keep everything as clean as possible. I mean, I think that's the hardest thing. Alright, so looks like there's springs in each one here. You can see that. I think people are using picks to get these out, and they just fall out or what. Looks like the springs are a little different. This one just maybe compressed more than the rest. I think I got a little pick thing. I mean, it's not really made for this, but a little flathead will probably work. I got just to see these valves open and close, I guess. I'm just trying to see if they're free. This is not a do-it-yourself thing, how-to video, trust me. This is, you just kind of figure this out as I go. Yeah, I'm just going to move these springs down too. Try to keep this. Yeah, this one looks fine. Should be a good ton to have a magnet. That's for sure. A very good ton to have a magnet. Work on this a little bit. Alright, so I'm just going to take this blue shop towel and just go through and clean this up, get as much of this up as out of here as possible. Then I'm going to try to spray it down. So We'll probably do a time lapse on this. It's gonna take some time. took a brush and cleaned all these little galleys, and I'm gonna let it sit and try to get as much of that cleaner out of it. Yes, and go from there. So I noticed there's some little spots like right here. It's like some burn on stuff. So I'm just gonna take a razor blade, get this clean. I was like trying to figure out how to clean this, And I think I'm gonna spray it down one more time, get it, make sure it seals real nice and good, so there's no reason why this thing's not pressurized, I guess, in a sense, because that don't look right to me. I'm like, while I'm in it, might as well clean it, right? Yeah, at this point I feel like just buy a new car. But we started this project, so we're gonna finish. We're gonna finish this project. Yeah, I'm trying to get up in here. Yeah, that's some gunk or something. I don't know. It's some weird gunk. Kind of scratching it a little bit. Probably need not go too deep on this side. Kind of go over it like that. Yeah, that's a lot better. I don't want to mess it up. There we go. Just kind of go over it. Yeah, that's good. I'll probably wipe that down. Yeah. It's looking clean. I don't know about the tolerances of it, but it's looking good. I'm trying to spray a little bit here. Let's see about wiping this off. Oh yeah, there we go. Probably should just try that first. Yeah, just kind of crud. I went a little bit too deep right there, but I think it'll be alright. I didn't want to scratch it. I'm gonna just start putting this joker back together. I'm getting tired of taking it all apart, working on this thing. Okay, so I'm just going ahead start putting these valves back in. They should be fine. Lube them up a little bit, but if not stuck. So that's good, they're not stuck. Let me figure out how to get this plate back on. That's gonna be tough, pushing down on it. I think I can probably get it started. This thing is tough. Man, this is some serious springage. I mean, this thing got some serious springs on it. Definitely got some good springs on it, tell you what. This thing is clean. It's clean. Get one little boat and put it back together. Close. This bottom's good. Feel that little hole. It'll shift better. Pray to God the pressure's not falling apart. Okay, that's got that. That's on there. That's good. So now we just gotta do this side. I'm trying to remember. I'm gonna go on this side. Alright, on to the next side, which I believe that's like this. So each one will go in, yeah, this way. So basically this goes like this.
I get my bike. No.
Oh.
Can you pick it up? Can you pick my bike up?
Hold on, buddy.
Friend. Be quiet.
Who? This move. Looks like it's shorter. So we know it can't go in there. Hopefully this place which one goes where. I don't think I did. This goes like this. That goes like here like this. It's got some spring on it. Alright, it's all back together. I think I'm gonna seal this in a Ziploc bag. Need to put these back in. I'm gonna clean these screens. They could use a little bit cleaning. They look a little dirty. So get that clean as possible. That one looks a little better.